Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord rear brakes. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack stands, and a lug wrench. Make sure you have new brake pads, rotors, and caliper grease on hand. Safely lift your vehicle using the jack and secure it with jack stands. Then, remove the rear wheel to access the brake assembly. Next, locate and remove the two caliper bolts, then carefully detach the caliper from its mounting bracket. It's crucial to hang the caliper securely using a wire or bungee cord to prevent any stress on the brake line. After that, remove the two small screws holding the old rotor in place, and then you can slide the rotor off the hub. Now, clean the hub surface thoroughly to ensure proper seating for the new rotor. Install the new rotor and secure it with the two screws you removed earlier. Using a C-clamp or a specialized tool, carefully compress the caliper piston. Apply a thin layer of caliper grease to the contact points, then install your new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Finally, reinstall the caliper, making sure to tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Mount the wheel back onto the hub, lower your vehicle, and torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to properly seat the new pads and ensure firm pedal feel. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.